Struggling with parabolas? Don't worry, I've got you. In just 60 seconds, you'll be a graphing pro. Let's take the standard equation, y equals x squared plus bx plus c. The first thing you need is the vertex. The x-coordinate is simply negative b divided by 2a, easy, right? Once you have that x value, plug it back into the equation to find the corresponding y value. To get a few more points for a nice smooth curve, pick a couple of x values on either side of your vertex, calculate their y values and plot them. Boom. You found the vertex, which is the turning point of your parabola. Next, find the y-intercept by setting x to 0. It's just the c value. Remember, parabolas are symmetrical, so the points will mirror each other across the axis of symmetry, which is the vertical line through the vertex. Connect the dots, and there you have it, a perfect parabola. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick math tips.